niños! Thank you for joining me today. Are you ready for a fun Spanish story? One day, not so long ago, Maria, Leo and Pili went exploring in the branches of their magical casa and they came across a farm. Do you remember who they met? They met Cerdo's pigs, Ovejas sheep, Cordero's little lambs, Patos ducks, Caballos horses and Conejos bunny rabbits. I wonder what animals they will find today. They're going back to the granja. Would you like to go with them? Sí! Gallinas y pollitos, hens and chicks. ¿Qué tiene Leo en la mano? What does Leo have in his hands? Un pollito, a little chick, y un caracol and a snail. Y Pili le gustan las abejas. Pili likes the bees. Bzz. Can you say gallina? Gallina. Can you try saying gallina? Gallina. That is a hen. The babies are called pollitos. Can you say pollitos, Maria? Pollitos. Now you try it. Pollitos. ¿Qué es esto? Oh, Leo said, what's that? They hear another noise. Es un tractor grande, a big tractor. Who is driving it? El granjero, the farmer. Can you see him? Pili shouts, Hola cabras. She says hello to the goats. ¿Cuántas cabras hay? How many goats are there? Let's count. Una, dos, tres. Remember, the boys and girls in Spain have a different word for everything and they don't say goat, they say cabra. Let me hear you saying cabra. Cabra, cabra, cabra. Muy bien, excelente. And what do we get from cabras? Queso y leche. Escucha. ¿Qué animal es? Vacas. 4 vacas, 4 cows. Oh no, Leo has knocked over the bucket of leche that came from the vacas. But look, who is enjoying la leche? El gato del granjero, the farmer's cat. Qué travieso, Leo. That was very naughty. All of the leche is gone, but at least the gato got to have some of la leche. Let's all practice saying vaca. Vaca, vaca. Excelente. ¿Qué dicen los vacas? What do vacas say? Moo, moo. Escucha. Un perro. Sí, un perro, a dog. Y también hay burros, donkeys, mariposas, butterflies, un espantapájaro, a scarecrow, y pájaros, birds. Leo is not scared of the espantapájaros. Look at Pili, está sobre el burro. She's on top of the donkey. Let's practice saying burro. Burro. Estupendo. Have you ever been on a burro? I haven't, but I know my mummy has when she was a little girl. It is nearly time for the frutas to say adios and to leave la granja. Todos los animales están muy tristes. All of the animals are very sad. La vaca, la abeja y el conejo están llorando. They are crying. The cow, the sheep and the bunny rabbit are crying. They want Maria, Leo and Pili to come back very soon. El granjero, the farmer, has collected more leche from the vacas. He has given it to Maria. She is going to give it to her mama when she gets back to her casa. Well, that was a fun day at La Granja. Did you enjoy it? I did. Now you have met all of the animales from the granja, you can practice them at home. I will see you all very soon for another fun story with the Fruta Familia. Adios, hasta luego, hasta la vista. I hope you all have a nice day. Adios.